How are things with your family?
Everything's going alright, man.
That's good. When is your mom coming?
She's coming on the Thursday or Friday.
Oh, that's quick. I thought you would be staying longer.
Yeah, the whole situation with my grandmother.
Really excited to see her.
Not at all.
Neither am I.
You alright?
Everything is okay. I'm just having a little cramp. Where's the bathroom?
First door to the right.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Grandma? Grandma? What's this smell? Grandma? You alright? Lisa? You alright, Grandma? Lisa? Call 911. You alright, Grandma? Lisa? 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 You alright, Grandma?